Now, last hour we told you some COVID numbers in Ohio did fall over the last week. Around Youngstown, we're seeing the same trend in a few areas, but we're also seeing a big spike in one very important one. Now, with the COVID numbers locally, let's head over to First News anchor Stan Boney. He's live in the newsroom.
Well, in most of the counties around the Youngstown area, we have seen a downward trend in total cases just over the past week or so. But we are also seeing an increase in the number of people dying from COVID. So let's start with deaths per week over the past 4 weeks. Now, these are the 7 days leading up to the days that are listed. The most glaring spike is in Trumbull County, where 4 weeks ago, 1 person died. Then it went to 2, then to 7, and in the past week, 15 people have died in Trumbull County. This, as new cases in Trumbull fell over the past week, around 900 compared with well over 1,200 the week before. That's a drop of nearly 30%. One other statistic from Trumbull County, these are new hospitalizations per week. For 2 weeks, early in November, there were 3. Then it went to 10, and this past week, 15 new patients were hospitalized in Trumbull County with COVID. Now, the number of deaths also up in Mercer County. There were 9 this past week, 8 the week before, and just 2 in the weeks previous to that. In all of October, in Mercer County, only 7 people died. New cases in Mercer County fell back into the 400s 2 weeks ago, but have risen again to over 500. In early October, Mercer County was getting maybe 30 new cases a week. In Columbiana County, new cases really spiked the 7 days before November 25th, going from 379 to 632. Then, this past week, fell back into the 400s. 4 weeks ago, no one died in Columbiana County. Since then, 13 people have died. In Mahoning County, new cases fell over the past week, but are still double what they were 4 weeks ago, having gone from around 600 to well over 1,200 this past week. And the number of deaths in Mahoning County have actually gone down. 4 weeks ago it was 6. For the past 2 weeks, it has been 3. Here's another way to break down cases in the state of Ohio in our area. These are cases by zip code over the past 2 weeks. These are the top 5 locations in Mahoning, Trumbull, and Columbiana counties combined. 44512 is Boardman. 44514 is primarily the Poland area, but also includes Brownlee Woods and Youngstown. 44515 is Austintown. 44483 is Northeast Warren and parts of Champion. And 43920 is East Liverpool and Calcutta in Columbiana County. Live in the newsroom, Stan Boney, WKBN 27 First News.